the sky, up in the clouds. It's nearly time for bed. Bubba Pink is giving Sun his bedtime bath. Lucky thing.
There, all done.
Oh, thank you, Bubba Pink.
Sounds like you're ready for a good night's sleep, son.
Oh, yes, I am. Good night.
Night-night, son. Are you tired too, Pink Horsey? Just little Star to sleep, then home to bed. Whee! Whee! Hi, Bubba Pig! Hello, little Star. Are you ready to twinkle?
Oh, yes! Twinkle, twinkle all night long. Twinkle till the morning comes.
Nighty-night, little Star.
Nighty-night, Bubba Pink.
Good night, Bobo. Night-night. Night-night, Cloudbabies.
Night-night. Night-night.
Night-night. Baba Blue! Baba Blue!
Huh? What?
You're snoring. Try lying on his side.
Sorry, Peppa Pink.
Twinkle, twinkle all night long. Twinkle till the morning comes. Twinkle, twinkle all night long. Twinkle till the morning comes. Twinkle, twinkle all night. Huh? Twinkle, twinkle all night long. Oh, what's that funny noise? Don't like it. Oh. Cloudbabies! Wakey, wakey! Let me in!
What? Little Star? What's wrong?
Big rumbly grumble noise in the sky, and I don't like it.
I can't hear anything. Can you?
No.
No.
Well, little Star's not twinkling. I want to stay here with you.
All right, little Star. You can stay. But just for tonight. Ow! Your points are really pointy, little Star. I have to get up early tomorrow to give Sun his polish. Why don't you sleep in Baba Blue's bed?
Okay.
Ow!
Little Star, I have to get up early to feed the sky horses tomorrow. How about sleeping in Baba Yellow's bed?
Okay. Sorry.
Ooh! Little Star, I have to get up early to give Rainbow Stripes a fresh coat of paint. Do you mind sleeping in Baba Green's bed?
Okay. Little Star must be careful with pointy points. Phew.
What was that?
Oh, it's the rumbly grumble noise I told you about. Oh, don't like it.
I wonder what it is. Maybe it's the clouds. Clouds sometimes make a noise like that. Come on, we have to find out or none of us will get any sleep. This way. Come on. The noise is coming from up there.
It's coming from that cloud.
Come on. It's shaking.
What can it be?
Oh!
So that's what's making the noise.
What? What is it?
It's sun.
Sun? It's sun! It's sun! He's making a big noise.
A big snoring noise.
We'll never get to sleep with that noise. What can we do?
Maybe Sun is snoring because he's sleeping on his back, like you do, Baba Blue. But it's okay, because when you turn on your side, you stop.
Oh, I see. We should turn Sun on his side. Good idea, Baba Pink. Come on, let's do it. Ready, Cloudbabies? 1, 2, 3, push! It worked.
You Cloudbabies are so clever.
Thank you, Little Star. Will you go back to twinkling now?
Oh, yes. Little Star will twinkle all night long.
So the Cloudbabies all went to bed and had the best night's sleep ever. Well, almost. High in the sky, up in the clouds, Baba Pink is making a moon rock cake for Moon.
What to make? What to bake? I'm going to bake a moon rock cake. Moon shines so bright all through the night. A moon rock cake will keep her awake. A splash of rain pear juice, some cloudy pops, and now for some moon rock. Not in there, or there. Aha! Oh no.
Hi, Baba Pink. What's wrong?
I was going to bake a special moon rock cake for Moon, but I've run out of moon rock.
I think I might be able to help. I saw some moon rock on a cloud this morning. I'll go and get it for you.
Thank you, Baba Blue.
Back soon, Baba Pink. There's lots of moon rock here, Blue Horsey. Baba Pink will be pleased. Shoo, shoo. Oh, out of my way, you naughty cloud. Shoo, or I'll chase you. Right, that's it. Get back here, you ball of fluff. Come on, Blue Horsey. OK, Blue Horsey, you're tired. Let's put this down. There, that's better. Come on, Blue Horsey. Faster, faster. Good work, Blue Horsey. It's gone. Now, let's get that moon rock back to Baba Pink. Oh, it must be on that one then. It's not there either. Let's check the others. Oh no, it's gone. I'm going to have to tell Baba Pink.
Did you get the moon rock?
Well, the thing is, I did, but then I lost it.
You lost it? So I can't make Moon's cake after all. Maybe we'll find it if we look for it together. 2 cloud babies are better than 1.
Good idea, Baba Pink. Oh dear, Blue Horsey must be tired from all the cloud chasing.
Let's get the sky train instead. Come on. Hi, Baba Yellow. We're just off to find some moon rock. Oh, OK.
Now I know I put the moon rock on a white cloud. There, I think it's that one.
Nope, not here. Think hard, Baba Blue. What shape was it?
It was sort of flat. Like that one.
Nothing. We better hurry up. It looks like there's a storm coming.
There it is. It's that one. And this time, I'm sure.
Hooray! Let's go!
Have you found it yet, Baba Pink?
No! Have you?
No.
Are you sure you left the moon rock on this cloud? Baba Blue, this is the wrong cloud. Come on, we've got to find that moon rock. Huh? Where's the sky train gone?
We must have moved in the wind.
So no sky train and no sky horses.
Help!
So you went to get me some moon rock and lost it. And now we're stuck on a cloud with no way to get home.
It's not my fault.
Huh.
Hello, Baba Yellow. Where are Baba Pink and Baba Blue?
They went to collect moon rock ages ago.
There's going to be a big storm soon. Perhaps we should go and look for them.
Good idea, Baba Green.
Baba Pink,
Yes?
it's getting late and we've still got our jobs to do before nighting time.
What are we going to do?
I don't know. No one will see us in all these clouds. I'm sorry, Baba Pink. But if we work together, I'm sure we can get out of it.
You're right, Baba Blue. Let's think of a plan.
How about we make a big noise?
We won't be heard over the thunder.
We need to send a signal.
We could send bits of white cloud into the air.
Yes! Someone is sure to see them against all these dark clouds.
We've looked everywhere. Where can they be? What is it, Baba Green?
I thought I saw something, but it's gone now.
Look, what's that?
I think it's a signal.
Come on, let's follow them.
Hey!
Over here! They found us!
We thought we'd never find you. What happened? We were looking for some moon rock on a cloud.
And the cloud moved away from the sky train.
And then we were stranded. Moon rock? I'm sure I saw something earlier.
I'll call the sky train and we'll have a look on the way home. I'm glad you're safe.
Over there. I can see it. It's coming our way. Got it!
Thank you, Baba Green. I think I still got time to make Moon her moon rock cake. We've got something for you, Moon, because you always shine so brightly for us.
Oh, thank you, Baba Pink. It's absolutely delicious.
So Baba Pink made Moon's moonrock cake after all. And Moon was, well, over the moon. High in the sky. Up in the clouds. The Cloudbabies are doing their jobs. But some jobs are easier than others.
Ow! Hold still, Fuffa. I'm nearly finished.
Ow!
There! Finished.
Can I go now?
You can. Well done. So you put it on really carefully, like this.
Oh.
Careful, Fuffa. I'm being painted and I'm not dry yet.
Fine, I'll go somewhere else then, where no one wants to comb me, and I won't be in the way.
Fuffa. Hello, you two. Could you help me with the washing, Baby Yellow? Oh, you're busy. I'm sure I can help for a little while. Oh, thank you.
But what about me? I'm not finished yet.
There's not that much left to do. Bobo, why don't you finish painting Rainbow? You have been watching me very closely.
What?
Hey! Brushy, brushy, brushy!
Oh, all right. But no smudges. And don't go over the lines. And no drips either. Oh.
Huh? Painty gone.
Oh, dear. It must have run out.
Bobo go paint well. Come donk.
Yeah, oh.
What's blue painty paint well? Ah!
on, Skydonk. Help Bobo. Pull, Skydonk. Blue Painty. Hurry, Donk. Hey! Uh-oh. I'm all blue. Pinky Babs be cross. What are we going to do? Aha! Bobo wash, Fuffa. Follow Bobo. No cloudy Babs. But there's water. Little Star.
Little Star's not sleepy.
You can help wash this paint off then. Oh! Socky. Hey! Ooh! Ouch! What is it? Oh no! Quick! Get it off! Bobo! Ow! Ow!
Bobo! Bobo! Stop!
What are we going to do now?
I know! Wait here!
I wonder how Bobo's getting on painting Rainbow. I'm sure he'll be fine.
Little Star's back!
Bobo rubbed marks out with Blanky.
Thanks, Little Star.
Ow! Gently!
It's going yellow!
Ah! Bobo! Do something! Green! Now I'm blue, red, orange, yellow, and green. I'm a rainbow cloud!
Pretty. Dry, Fuffa, now.
What? How? Hey, put me down! You're not hanging me up there! Don't you dare! Let me down!
Thanks for helping me, Baba Yellow. That's okay. When we finish pegging the washing out... Bobo, Little Star, what is going on? And why is Fuffa hanging on the washing line? Just look at the colour of her. Sorry, Cloudy Babs. Bobo spilled paint on Fuffa.
Can someone get me down, please? They did try to get the paint out, but it just got worse.
We can see that. I suppose you were trying to do the right thing. And you do look lovely, Fuffa.
Oh, there you are, Bobo. I've been waiting for you to come back for ages. My blue's cracked and I'm all uneven. Where have you been? I've been... Oh, I don't believe it. A rainbow cloud. A cloud of many colours. Can you actually rain like that?
I don't know. I can try.
Wow!
You can. Amazing. Rainbow rain. Wonderful. Incredible.
Well done, Fuffa.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, come here, little rainbow Fuffa. Oh, we have so much to talk about. It's not easy being so beautiful, and we colourful lot must look after each other. Of course, one of the worst things to happen is fading, but much, much worse than that is if all your...
I think Fuffa might be gone some time.
I better go and find her something pink to wash her with when she finally escapes.
Yes, I think she'll want to go back to pink very soon.
Well, we have a lot of things to talk about. So, thanks to Bobo, Fuffa got to be the only rainbow cloud in the sky. And she found herself a new admirer. Oh, disaster!